We're burger culture once again.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Some bullshit, some bullshit. Some more bullshit. Some bad shit. Some bullshit. We're on the way to OCC. Straight bullshit out here. What y'all think? Do we run no reflectors on Suuki? This boy tries to get pushed to the back. That's the craziest shit ever. 1000 triple R? The SP? I just don't like how they look. GP shift too. It's crazy. There's the X10 action. Some Jigsaw action. You see Kyra right there.
Hey, what are these made of? Those are magnesium, right? For fucking making sparks?
I think these are steel.
Steel?
Yeah.
You're not using them to make sparks?
Yeah, with the feet, yeah. I think these are steel though.
Oh, okay. What a hell of a case.
Yeah.
Yeah, why would you have steel instead of fucking so it doesn't but you would have the plastic chiton, the fucking what all the sliders are made out of. That like funky ass plastic.
Yeah.
What's it called? I don't know. It's
polymer?
No, it's like made for sliders. They're I'm retarded right now. Kevlar?
Not Teflon.
Hey, what do they make them fucking plastic axle sliders? No, it's like a plastic. Oh, plastic. Delron, you motherfuckers. It's called Delron.
Delron, yeah. Yeah.
Fuck my butthole, you jerk.
Oh shit. Cops on somebody's ass. No, somebody's ass. Shit. Sheesh. Crazy shit in Bilt's Barracuda. This bitch crazy. Blowing that bitch is crazy. I don't even like these bikes, y'all. These bitches go stupid. Did they convert that from a belt to a chain? Wow. This bitch crazy. That bitch too. That bitch crazy too. That blue joint's crazy. Tees. This bitch is something. That's crazy. Crazy. The chain. That's sick. The RC8? That bitch is crazy. I'm just now peeping this bullshit. What do we have going on here?
I seen that motherfucker pull in earlier. He's going fishing, dude.
What the fuck? What are you talking about? I'm not putting no fucking rod and reel. 2 rods and reel. That's a deep ocean hook. You see that shit?
Yeah.
I'm not putting that shit on the back of my fucking bike. Fuck a 360. I'm not putting a fishing pole on my shit.
Is he going out to the docks or like what's going on?
Judging by the size of his fucking hook, it looks like he's going deep sea scuba diving fishing. That's a big ass hook, and that bitch is not coming off. Look at the detail on the. That's a crazy fisherman, man. Bro, I couldn't.
Hangs on at 110.
Yeah. 110. What are you doing with this pole?
Fish.
Deep sea or not deep sea? Like, are you in the shore?
Yeah, off piers and shit, trying to catch sharks. Almost had one the other day.
It's a crazy ass hook, bro.
Bro, I had a smaller hook on it, and the fucking fish spit it out, so I had to get a bigger hook.
I was just talking about the fucking fisherman's knot you got on there. That bitch is not going nowhere.
No, that's fucking.
What year is this?
2023.
He's really out here. He's really out here. What's your name, bro?
I'm here.
Eric? Eric. Trey.
Nice
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.